No.1 Midbrain Activation Course by Brain Booster Academy. Brain Booster Academy is a powerful 100% result-oriented midbrain activation training center. Individual attentions and guidance are seen through the results of the students. Memory boosting workshop and building the confidence in the child is mastery of the institute. The midbrain activation technique undoubtedly a wonder in this world. The children get trained in such a way that their sixth sense is awakened. The people experiencing this in front of their eyes were awestruck, and so were we. It is a technique in which the middle or interbrain is awakened by stimulating a hormonal discharge. Call now to book your free demo class on 9423083199 or 7829238363.